children, hope you all are fit and healthy. Today children, we are going to study the poem The Months. So all should be ready with your notebooks, pencils. Open the page number 41, The Months. Children, this poem is written by Christina Rossetti Georgina, an English poet. Now pay attention, I am going to read the poem. January, cold, desolate. Desolate means lonely. February, all dripping wet. March, wind ranges. April, changes. Birds sing in tune to flowers of May, and sunny June brings longest day. In scorched July, scorched means slightly burnt. The storm clouds fly, lightning torn, means lightning flashing through clouds. August bears corn, September fruit. In rough October, earth must disrobe her. Disrobe her means here become bare because of the trees shedding their leaves. Stars fall and shoot in keen November. Keen means cold. And night is long and cold is strong. In bleak December. Bleak means cold. So children, in the poem, the poet describes what happens each month of the year in a single line. The highlight of the poem is that these descriptions are very simple. January is described as a cold month, while February is a rainy month. In March, wind blows in full fervor, while April welcomes people with the song of birds. Flowers bloom in full swing in May, while June is a sunny month with the longest day. July houses stormy clouds with lightning flashes. In August, if August is the time for the harvest of some golden corn, it is fruit in September. The climate is rough in October, while nights are really long in November and cold in December. So children, this poem, The Months, is about the 12 months of the year. The poet has described what happens in each month. Now children, look at exercise A. Tick the correct options. Number 1. The poet describes January as desolate because the poet feels lonely. It is the first month of the year. The weather is cold. It is full of rain. So the answer is the poet feels lonely. Second, which month brings the year's longest day? June. Now play with words. A proverb is a short, wise saying that gives us valuable advice or tells us something important about life. Children, you can write the question, define proverb. Give example. So what is proverb? It is a short, wise saying that gives us valuable advice or tells us something important about life. Here is a Japanese proverb. One kind word can warm 3 winter months. It means that a good word can make people warm like a fire in the cold winter, while a bad word can hurt people and make them cold like snowing in summer. Now fill in the blanks with words from the brackets to complete these common proverbs. A friend in need is a friend indeed. It means a person who helps at a difficult time is a person who can you really rely on. Make hay while the sun shines. It means that you take advantage of a chance to do something while conditions are good. Better late than never. It is better to do something or arrive after the expected time than not to do it or arrive at all. It is no use crying over spilt milk. It means it is not useful feeling sorry about something that has already happened. So today children, we have studied the poem and we have done these two exercises. Exercise B is not in the syllabus, so you should note down in your book these two exercises and learn them properly. Rest of the exercises we will do in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.